Hey, sixth graders, here's a little helpful hint on area of triangles. Remember, our formula is base times height divided by 2. And remember, that comes from being able to double our triangle to make a rectangle. We know how to find the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is just base times the height. So we have 6 times 10, which will give us 60. But that's the area of the whole thing, and we only want area of this half. So we just take our number and we divide it by 2 to get our final answer of 30 units squared for this one. So again, this one would be 30 and this one would be 30, which would have given us that 60 for the total. But your final answer would be 30 units squared. So multiply the base times the height and divide it by 2.